Ramblin' Ron, why'd you break your truck? Now I gotta fix it. How's it going, guys? Dad here with Iowa Budget RC. And so today I'm back on the Blackfoot, and hopefully in this episode we get to take it out and run it. I've got these aluminum shock mounts that came off of eBay, and I shared the link on my, or shared the post on my community page, which by the way I can post in the community page now, so that's kind of cool. But anyway, so I shared these in the community page. They're awesome. They are such high quality, very well made, and they came with hardware. So that's pretty awesome. It's going to replace these originals that are 35 years old, and so hopefully that brings this thing back to how it should be, and we'll be able to take it out for a rip. So I'm going to get the body off of this thing and we will go from there. Look at them sparkles. Alright, body's off. And one of the things I did was I just kind of cleaned up the wiring a little bit, put some zip ties on stuff. Left the motor wires loose. I might zip tie them to the body mount brace there, but not sure on that one yet. Excuse me. So now I did super glue this back together, but I think that ball will come right out of there, so, or that screw will come right out of there, so we will see. I did drip a little super glue on the rod end, so hopefully that doesn't make a difference, but take that off, and then 3 screws here, and actually 2 screws, and we'll be good. So alright, side number 1 done. Look at that. That's beautiful. And that aluminum kind of matches the chrome aluminum paint that I did on the chassis. It's got the spacer there that it came with. I used the screw that it came with, but I had a Tamiya lock nut to put on the end of it, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. But suspension works beautifully, doesn't bind on the spring at all, so heck yeah, these are awesome. Should have done this in the first place. Alright, side number 2 done. And again, super free flowing suspension. That should be awesome on this, as long as the back ones don't break, which are originals. So we'll pray that doesn't happen. I don't plan on running this thing too awful hard. So I'm going to get the body back on it, and it's going to be ready to run. Alright guys, she's ready to run. Got the antenna sticking out, and shout out to my friend Brian at Tiny Truck Nation here in Davenport. He hooked me up with some stickers, and these little ones are perfect for like Blackfoot window. But yeah, check them out on Facebook, Tiny Truck Nation. They're a bunch of cool guys. Excuse me. Anyway, we will be running this thing here. It'll be tomorrow for me. It'll be 2 seconds for you. So anyway, see you then. Alright guys, this will be outing number 1 in the Blackfoot. I'm all smiles right now because it's been 1996 is the last year I can remember driving my Blackfoot. So same type of controller, same long antenna. Yeah, so Grayson's gonna do my recording because he's one-handed and can't do much. So anyway, we're gonna take the Blackfoot out and give her a rip. Alright guys, here goes.
should get a Holmes hobby motor for it. Hot rod it.
Just like I remember it. Except mine had a Trinity Monster motor in it, so it was much faster.
Did you have the black edition?
There's only one edition of the Blackfoot.
You shouldn't have done that.
All covered in weeds.
Oh, bad recording. A bad one-handed recording. Ooh.
Let's see if it'll go over some obstacles. It's pretty torquey, it's just not very fast.
It's also two-wheel drive with an open diff.
Yeah. I think this old motor's about worn out. But I do have a sport tune for it, so that'll be the next step in the Blackfoot saga. From above. Alright guys, well, that was the first official run of the Blackfoot, or as Steve Shen is calling it, Sparklefoot, because of all the gold flake that I put in this thing. But that motor is worn out. I do have a sport tune for it, so I'll end up putting the sport tune in it. But this tells me that everything runs and everything runs okay, that the old Futaba system worked really good, and the speed control from Will worked good, and the servo worked beautifully. It's not the strongest servo in the world, but it does work. So anyway, that's what we're calling an episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Thad.
I'm Grayson.
For Iowa Budget RC. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, because we got a giveaway coming at 500 subscribers.